2023 KTM 890 Adventure R First Look Off-Road ABS is automatically engaged. The 2023 KTM 890 Adventure R takes the previous iteration of the high-performance ADV motorcycle and adds performance and styling updates. Let's find out what they are. The ABS is updated, using a 6-axis sensor that communicates with the ride modes. Using Bosch 9.3 megapixel system, the ABS is tied in with the ride mode. If you select the off-road mode or the optional rally mode, off-road ABS is automatically engaged. There's a new 5-inch TFT dash. The display features new pictograph-infused graphics designed for more intuitive operation of features, along with USB-C ports. Turn-by-turn navigation is available through the KTM Connect app, which connects to the dash via Bluetooth. There's also an update phone call function. You can set up 10 favorites to display, or a list of the last 10 calls. The new 5.3-gallon fuel tank gets more extensive aluminum protection. The 2023 KTM 890 Adventure R carries the fuel tank down low, and this will prevent DNFs by better guarding the tank against impacts. The WP suspension has updated settings to improve rider endurance on long rides. WP Explore units are used at both ends, with the shock being a progressive damping design that eliminates the need for linkage. You can't miss the new bodywork. There's a new fairing, cowling, LED turn signals, and a lower windshield for improved aerodynamics and ergonomics. The new fuel tank gets enhanced aluminum protection. Optional electronic rider aid features, including the rally mode, are available for the first 932 miles. KTM wants to tempt you to upgrade, so they give you a taste for free. Look for the 2023 KTM 890 Adventure on dealers' showroom floors in December. We don't have an MSRP yet, however. 2023 KTM 890 Adventure R specs. Engine type: parallel twin displacement, 889cc bore X-stroke, 90.7 x 68.8 mm maximum power, 100 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute maximum torque, 74 feet LBS at 6,500 revolutions per minute valvetrain, DOHC, 4 VPC fueling, 46 mm DKK Delorto throttle body with Bosch EMS cooling, liquid transmission, 6-speed, quickshifter optional, clutch, web multiplate with assist and slipper functions, final drive, chain chassis, frame, chromoly trellis with stressed member engine, chromoly subframe handlebar, tapered aluminum front suspension, travel, fully adjustable WP Explore 48 mm inverted fork, 9.4 inches rear suspension, travel, linkage-less fully adjustable WP Explore PDS piggyback shock, 9.4 inches wheels, wire spoke front wheel, 21 by 2.50 rear wheel, 18 by 4.50 tires, Continental Twinduro TKC 80 front tire, 90/90 x 21 rear tire, 150/70 x 18 front brakes, 320 mm discs with Brembo 4-piston calipers rear brake, 260 mm disc with Brembo caliper ABS. Cornering aware Bosch 9.3 megapixel standard with off-road mode dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 60.2 inches rake, 26.3 inches seat height, 34.6 inches fuel capacity, 5.3 gallons curb weight, 464 pounds.